How to fix NVIDIA stuttering issues. First, you will need to open up the NVIDIA control panel. Open the start menu and search for NVIDIA control panel. Click on it to open the application. Then you will need to click on manage 3D settings on the side, and under global settings tab you want to scroll all the way down till you see shader cache size. Switch it from driver default to disabled. Then click on the apply button on the right bottom side. And then you will need to restart your computer after applying this change. Once your computer is restarted, you will need to download and install the NVIDIA app. So you'll need to open up your browser and search for NVIDIA app and click on the first link and download and install this app if you don't have it already. If you have it installed in your PC, you should open it up and then head to drivers section. And from here, make sure to select Game Ready Driver if you use your computer only for gaming. And then click on the check for updates and make sure to download and install the latest Game Ready driver. Otherwise, you can click on the reinstall button if you have it already to reinstall the latest update. And if you're not using it for gaming, you can switch to Studio Driver instead. Once this is done, you can close the NVIDIA app and then you want to right click on the start button and press run. Now in the run command right here, you will need to type %sign and then local app data %sign and press enter. And then inside here you will find NVIDIA folder, which is this one right here. Double click on it and then double click on the GL cache and remove anything you find inside here. And then go to the DX cache as well. And if you find any folders in here, you should remove them as well. Now you can close this folder and then open up the start menu and search for this PC. Right click on your main hard drive, go to properties and then click on disk cleanup. Now in this window, make sure to select DirectX shader cache right here. Click on OK and then click on delete files. And wait for this to delete the files. Once it deleted all the files and cleaned up the disk, you can close this and then open up the NVIDIA control panel again. Click on manage settings on the side, scroll down under global settings and expand or click on the drop down next to shader cache size and set it to driver default. And then click on the apply button again. And now you simply need to restart your computer and that should fix the stuttering issues with your NVIDIA GPU. That's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching and subscribe.